हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। आज के इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके अपकमिंग CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। When the right combination of circumstance occurs at the right time to allow an organization to take action towards a target market, the firm has identified a option 1 market objective, option 2 market requirement, option 3 strategic market plan, and option 4 market opportunity. And the correct answer is option 4 market opportunity. As Don Bus prepares a market attractiveness business position model for his firm, he comes to the point of assessing the business position of the firm's client of that case, which one of the following would be an input with regard to business position. Option 1 seasonality, option 2 relative market share, option 3 industry sales, option 4 market growth. And the correct answer is option 2 relative market share. Short-range marketing plans cover option 1 4 years or less, option 2 3 year or less, option 3 2 year or less, and option 4 1 year or less. And the correct answer is option 4 1 year or less. A firm should develop a marketing plan, option 1 for each strategic business unit, option 2 for each different marketing strategy, option 3 for each different target market, and option 4 for each good or service. And the correct answer is option 2 for each different marketing strategy. Which of the following is not a purpose of a marketing plan? Option 1, it's specific how resources are to be allocated. Option 2, it's coordinate marketing and production activities. Option 3, it's assessing responsibilities, tasks and timing. And option 4, it's assets in management control. And the correct answer is option 2, it's coordinates marketing and production activities. In which section of the marketing plan would you find detailed information about the marketing environment, market trends, customers, and competitors? Option 1 marketing analysis, option 2 marketing strategies, option 3 situation analysis, and option 4 product analysis. And the correct answer is option 1 marketing analysis. A marketing audit's primary purpose is to option 1 check on the firm's current marketing position for financial and legal reasons. Option 2 identify weaknesses in ongoing marketing operation and plan the necessary improvements to correct these weaknesses. Option 3 focus on a few of the most important marketing activities and plan the methods improve them. Option 4 aid, evaluate and reallocate the firm's marketing efforts and marketing opportunities. And the correct answer is option 2 identify weaknesses in ongoing marketing operation and plan the necessary improvements to correct these weaknesses. Katie is involved in a process of assessing marketing opportunities and resources, determining marketing objectives, and developing a plan for implementation and control. Then Katie is involved in option 1 strategic analysis, option 2 marketing planning, option 3 marketing management, and option 4 marketing. And the correct answer is option 2 marketing planning. Given today's green trend to profit from the threats to the physical environment, firms should option 1 continue to ignore all but the legally required action. Option 2 support legislation to repeal oppressive pollution laws. Option 3 develop products or promotional campaigns that tout their good citizenship. And option 4 move their offensive operations to countries that have minimal pollution laws. And the correct answer is option 3 develop products or promotional campaigns that tout their good citizenship. A fundamental pattern of present and planned objectives, resources development, and interaction of an organization with markets, competitors, and other environmental factors refer to a option 1 market orientation, option 2 mission, Option 3 is strategy and option 4 goal. And the correct answer is option 3 is strategy. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे CIL नन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और क्लासेस परचेस कर सकते हैं। माइंड पोर्टल के एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे मैसेज करें। इस तरह के और क्यूज वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स।